Let me show you a free auto-tune plugin that you can actually download and start using that on your mix, even if you don't have money to buy expensive auto-tunes. And we're gonna start right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gossa once again, and still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in the first studio now, and today we're gonna experiment with these vocals that I did, and I'm gonna show you this free auto tune that you can actually download, how you can actually download that free auto tune. Alright, so first thing first, we're gonna listen to the vocals without any auto tune, and I'm gonna show you that free version, that free auto tune that you can actually download and start using on your mix. Alright, so first thing first, what we're gonna do is to listen to the raw vocals without any effect, I mean no auto tune, and I'm gonna introduce you to that particular auto tune that you can actually download for free. Alright, if you don't have money to invest into expensive auto tunes. Now let's listen to the vocals. I've been around the world searching for your love. Now I find you, girl. I promise you I'll never let you go. Oh yeah, baby, come wind that thing. You know, say you be my queen. Me and you forever, you know that thing. Come run, pop, show me that thing. I hear my your body, they kill my brain. I know, say you go, show me your thing. I wanna be your king, baby. What I'm gonna do next is to send this to the mixer track. Alright, so we're gonna send it to mixer track 1. Then let's open the mixer. Then what we're gonna do, as you can see, the vocals is now sent onto the mixer track. Next thing I'm gonna do is to introduce one of the expensive auto tunes. Alright, and after that we'll compare that with the free version of that new auto tune that I'm talking about. Alright, so first let's detect the key of the vocals. If you don't know how to detect the key of any vocals, guys, I want you to invest into expensive plugins. Alright, so you can actually, and that one gonna give you auto key detector. Alright, so we're gonna insert this one to find the key. So what you're gonna do, waiting for transport. Alright, so what you're gonna do is to play the vocals, and this is gonna detect the right key for us. Let's do that. I've been around the world searching for your love. Now I find you, girl. I promise. So I want you to watch here. You can see it will tell you the BPM and the key of that vocals. I've been around the world searching for your love. This crazy. If you don't know how to use this, or if you don't have this plugin or this auto tune, if you don't have this expensive auto tune, then go and watch my previous videos. That I show you how to detect the key of unknown beat. Alright, super simple. You can actually use the virtual DJ to do that. So now you can see the keys. So now let's open or insert the first auto tune, and I'm gonna use one of the expensive auto tune, which is auto tune artist. This one of my favorite auto tune. Crazy. If you want to get this auto tune, guys, then the best advice that I can tell you is to invest. Alright, go and buy the full version. Nothing is free. Alright, and let's change the key. It was B, D sharp major, so let's go to that. Change this one to major. Now let's listen to this auto tune on that vocals. I've been around the world searching for your love. Now I find you, girl. I promise you I'll never let you go. So you can see I've given a full routine speed. As you can see, I've given a full routine speed, and I'm gonna play with the flex, then humanize it. If you want to know how to use auto-tune properly, then watch the video that will pop up on the screen. The link will be in the description box. All right. I've been around the world searching for your love. Now I find you, girl. I promise you I'll never let you go. Oh yeah, baby, come wind that thing. You know, say you be my queen. Me and you forever, you know that thing. Come round, pop up, show me that thing. Alright, guys, as you can hear, then I'm going to introduce this free auto-tune plugin that you can actually download for free if you don't have money to buy this auto-tune artist. Alright, so the name of this plugin is called Graillon 3. And if you want to get Graillon 3, it's super simple. Just come to this website. As you can see, this is the free version and we have the paid version. But if you don't have money, why don't you try the free version? Because I'm using the free version, but I will advise you to invest and come and buy the full version. All right, so what you're gonna do is to use this free auto-tune on the same vocals, and you can see I've muted the auto-tune artist. All right, so come here and choose C major. Then now let's listen to this on the vocals. Been around the world searching for your love. Now I find you, girl. I promise you I'll never let you go. Oh yeah, baby, come wind that thing. As you can see, let's play with the pitch engine. I've been around the world crazy, guys, searching for your love. Now let's listen as I push this one all the way up. Now let's push this knob all the way up, I mean the pitch engine, and listen. Been around the world searching for your love. Now I find you, girl. I promise you I'll never let you go. Alright, you can hear, you can increase the weight, then you can play with the correction, the smoothness. I've been around the world searching for your love. Now I find you, girl. I promise you I'll never let you go. Oh yeah, baby, come wind up. So as you can hear the difference, when you push the smooth all the way up, the auto-tune gonna be less on the vocals, but when we bring it down like this, I've been around the world searching for your love. And you can play with these knobs. I've been around the world searching for your love. Now I find you, girl. I promise. I've been around the world. I've been around the world searching for your love. Alright, guys, this is crazy, and you can even play with the pitch shift if you want to create effect. Alright, let's listen to this one. I've been around the world searching for your love. Now I find you, girl. I promise you I'll never let you go. As you can hear, perfect. Alright, then you can do a lot with this, and you can choose from any of these presets, voice cleanup. So now, even if you don't have money to invest into expensive auto tunes, you can actually use this free plugin, and you can download that and start using that. After that, invest into expensive plugins. But if you have money to invest into expensive auto tunes, then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen, the best auto tune that you have to get in 2025 going.